What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential projects in the crypto space. Anytime there's a new project that is potentially making waves, we're gonna check it out on the channel, guys. Some of these projects, man, you just never know how far they could go in the future. And you know, we're gonna check them all out. If it could be a meme coin, it could be a utility project, it could be, you know, Obama Sonic Inu. I saw that recently. It could be anything. We're gonna check it out on the channel because all of these projects could have potential return on investment, or we're just making the crypto space just more entertaining and fun. And you know, people shouldn't be going out there risking their whole life savings. You could play around with these projects with just $50, $100, $20, $30, right? Especially if they're on the Binance Smart Chain, right? So in this video, we're going to be checking out Noot. I saw this project recently got listed on Mexi Global, and I was like, whoa, that is very interesting for a project to get listed on Mexi Global so quickly. Like, I think as soon as it launched on Mexi Global, right? And yeah, we're going to dive into it. Before we dive any further into the video, please be advised, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. When we take a look at Noot, the best meme coin on the BNB chain with 3% reflections and a renounced contract. So a lot of people love reflections. They love that to get passive income. Even to this day, I think Baby Doge has reflections. So all the people that got wealthy off of Baby Doge, right here, one of their partners, all of the people that got wealthy off Baby Doge still receive their reflections to this day. They don't have to sell their bag of Baby Doge. So if Noot becomes one of those big meme coin projects, to this day you could be holding your it becomes one of those big meme coins projects. You could hold your Noot into the future and still receive your 3% reflections and, you know, receive that passive income. So you could just hold your bag going into the next cycle or into the future, right? Because Baby Doge, from what I'm seeing, Baby Doge is not going anywhere. It's been one of the top meme coin projects, and it's, you know, exactly where it's staying, like at the top, you know. And like I said, it has reflections, so people that got wealthy consistently receive their reflections on the project on Baby Doge. They don't have to cash out their bag. They just could sell their reflections and live off of that passive income. We have PancakeSwap, 8Swap, Baby Doge. It's listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And like I said, what really sparked my interest is that it got listed on Mexi Global. So this project right here, when a project is on an exchange, it has so much more liquidity. It's not as risky when it's on an exchange, right? You can buy Noot on our website by exchanging it with any cryptocurrency or fiat currency. So we have Flu's trade right here. Liquidity locked for 700 days. Contract is renounced. It's audited by TechRate. 700 days locked liquidity. My only opinion on that is that they could definitely extend that liquidity locked for like 50 to 100 years, you know. You know, but 700 days is still a long time. That's like 2 years time. So yeah, that's most people are saying the bull run starts next year, 2020 or 2025. So you will definitely, once Noot becomes, you know, once Noot grows, becomes more and more, you know, successful, if it does happen going into the bull cycle, you'll definitely see some gains with this project, right? All depends on how far the community goes, how far the community pushes the project. If there's a team or, you know, community members that are super you know, foregoing and willing to help push the project, then we could see that type of success, right? They also have a breakdown of the market cap and, you know, the gains in the last, and so in the last 24 hours it's up 61%. That's probably why it's making noise right now. And we could see they have their socials, how to set it up, how to buy, tokenomics breakdown, 4% on the buy tax, 6% on the sell tax, 2% reflections, 3% reflections on the sell, goes to the LP and buybacks, marketing, and towards the team as well. And they have a roadmap with all of their breakdown, CEX DEX listings, chat to earn bot. Ooh, so an AI chat to earn bot. That sounds very interesting. Sweet BNB NFTs, BNB NFTs holders claim. So they also incorporate NFTs as well. They have PFP, you could set a profile picture. They also have the chat bot or the Noot bot right here. So that's cool. They're using AI technology. What is the portal? Okay, so this is like a portal to find out your, like a dashboard, your holdings, how much reflections you earn, etc. That's when you connect your wallet. Okay, very nice stuff from what I'm seeing here, guys. Let's check out the Twitter, see what we got. 13.6k followers on Twitter. Contract renounced, LP locked for 700 days, and the contract is audited, so that's great. We could see they're doing giveaways. There's a lot of engagement on the tweets. Look at this. Join the new community. Just a regular tweet. 243 likes, 107 retweets. That means the community is very active. Let me see something real quick. Let's take a look at the Explorer. 13,991 holders. BSC scan taking a bit of time to load, but right here, just under 14,000 holders, right? So that's great wallet distribution for the project. Very active, very engaged on Twitter. Chris Leah, 370k followers sharing the project. You know, this is pretty bullish stuff, guys. I like what I see here. I love to check for engagement. That means the community is very active and putting in that work, sharing the project, letting people know about the project. Bunch of likes and retweets. Anything over 300 to 400 likes and retweets, you got a great and strong community, because this is going to be a community project. Even though there's a team, it's up to the community and the team working hand to hand to make that project become super successful. And Noot is one of those characters right here. It's an iconic meme. It is an iconic meme, the Noot character. I remember this from, like, you know, back in the childhood days. Let me see real quick. Noot character. I forget where it came from, but it is one of those characters that you know, I saw as a kid growing up. I forget specifically which I don't know, I'm not sure if it was a cartoon or a video game it came from, but I clearly remember the characters, so it sparks a lot of nostalgia for people that remember the character. I really like what I see here, guys. Psst. Ever heard about the best BFC meme coin? And that is Noot. For all the Noot holders, all 14,000 you guys, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. And yeah, could see a potential bright future ahead because of that, you know, very fast Mexi global listing. Everything, any future projects you guys want me to check out, comment down below. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.